All right, guys, today we got a 2018 Accord. I'm going to show you guys how to install the wiper insert. So these are the original stuff here. So if you haven't changed your wipers yet, and this is your original blade here, you could just put the inserts on. They're like about $6 to $10 each. Part number on this little one, this is for the passenger side. This is the part number for this guy right here. And this one right here is for the driver's side. It's much longer. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the driver's side. My friend here is going to hold the camera for me, and it's going to be a simple job. Anyways, just pay attention to this edge and that edge. One of the edges, it has a slot where this thing goes into. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this blade, and there's a tab down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift this baby up right over here. If you come across, over here, come on this side, right here. There's a small little tab right here, right in the back here. You're going to push in on that, and your insert, your whole blade is going to come out. So once you have this off, you don't want to drop this down, so just put it down slowly. So this is the little tab I was talking about, this little guy right here. So if you can see it right there, this is the little guy. Anyways, so this guy is held in like that. So what you want to do is you want to pay attention to little gap, opening gap, which is right here. So what you want to do is you want to do this, and you want to lift this baby up from right here, and it's going to start to come out. So let's pay attention to the other side. So it's the same thing on this side, and we're going to slide this whole insert out just like that. So if I did it the wrong way, I'll guide you. You see this has a little notch right there. That notch has to go back in the same spot. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one just like that. Let me get this guy out. And again, this side doesn't have that little notch. The opposite side does. It should. Okay, there you go. That's the little tab right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip this right through here. Really easy. So it's like a little gap right there. It goes right through. This whole thing goes right in. And you're going to feel a little snap in here. Okay, once it snaps, good. This side is in. So just push this side back in, and then push it down a bit, and it goes right in just like that. And then you want to take your wiper blade. You want to put this baby in there just like that. You're going to have to hold this up, and it should click in. So I'm not going to put this wiper down yet. We'll do that in a moment. Let's go to the other side. So I'm going to take this with me. So same thing we're going to do here. We're going to take this guy. I'm going to take this out of the package right now. I'm going to take this out of the package. I'm going to leave it just like that. Notice this one has a notch too. Same thing here. You're going to push in on that little tab in here and pull this wiper blade out. Put this down gently. So select the side. I would say either side is fine. So we're going to pull this back a bit. You see how this wiper is broken? And you're going to lift this baby up just like that. It comes right out. The little notch is on this side, so it's like that. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to leave the notch on this side. So you can insert it from the opposite side. It's fine to insert it from either side. So that's how you're going to install your wiper inserts. And this baby's going to go right in all the way. You might have to play around with it a little bit. And should feel a little snap in here. And after that, fix up the opposite side. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge there. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this little guy, and that's it. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you want to clean the surface where the wiper is going to sit. Just take your clean rag, or just do it with your hand. That way it gets a clean surface to sit on. Put this baby down slowly. Bada bing, bada boom. You're all done and set. Thank you for watching.